Okay, today's video is called Ford Truck Spring Shackles. You can see the holes in my tailgate, my bed from the spring shackle going through it. This is the first one that came through. I fixed it, then the other side came through. So if you don't get to these real quick and fix them, they're going to mess your tailgate up. They're going to mess your truck bed up. Now the other thing is, you can see the new shackle down in there. The back ones went out first. Once they go out, all four of them is going to go out. This is the front one right here. I'm going to show you this. This is the front one. If the back ones go bad and you don't replace them, it's going to mess your truck bed up. The front ones can actually damage your transmission. Here's what one looks like. All 40s had to be replaced. They're all bad. It broke my spring, but I welded the spring back. It seems to be holding okay so far. So that's about it. You got to take a die grinder and a cutting wheel and cut all the rivets off, and then knock them out with an air chisel. So that's how I did it. And you can use the truck jack to jack the springs down. That'll help a little bit. And that's about it. All 40s have been replaced. And it was eating tires. It'll destroy your tires if these things break loose or whatever, mess your rear alignment up. That's it.